Talo family, ya malo say for yaso. Ya makwa ve vela nge yaso so 42 degree here in Sydney. Lefa ko aka le kasi, so we got half an hour to go before we close here in Fairfield Market. And what's cooking tonight? Cooker time with Samoan chef. So tonight, don't forget tonight at 6 p.m. And one start rate in Mount Druitt in the area. We are open from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. midnight tonight. And our special tonight, we have vai mango tonight, and also vai melegi. We got some vai melegi as well. Take a look. And because it's hot right now in Sydney, kamalale. Yeah, if ping yela fia singa ngi. Villa. So by 6 o'clock, everything will be cool down. And inguro malawai mango. Yeah, umana fia because by 6 o'clock, I think the temperature is coming down to 30 degrees tonight. And ngayara kamaria if malulu eva. Wa seki ari ven, look at that. We got an isa, mango inside. So this is moti. Kamane moti. So what mango de moti. Moti siali. So we got mango, pineapple, apple inside, and to cool down your 42 degree Saturday here in Sydney. So come down tonight, 6 p.m. until 12 a.m. Midnight tonight. Get yourself a vai mango, and also get yourself a vai melegi. We got customers, and yeah, vai melegi will cool you down as well. But I just want to let you know that kamalale moti. So moti kamalale, and yeah, that's all you do. You just ele ia mas se pouca com a câmera, nem mas se pouca, no powder. Nem mas se pouca. Kama ele mangi pouca, é alu falau singa. Ngau pouca me ke ngau pouca mango a câmera dia. Mango sa o straight off the tree, man. Kama ne makua, makua ko ai alu fia. So yeah, just come down tonight at 6 p.m. We'll be there, and we can get yourself a mango. Oh wow. Wow. That mango, man. Like I told you, it's not powder. Fresh mango, fresh pineapple and apple, all in this cup. Refresh and reset today, man. Refresh and reset today. So if the mango is that good, check this out. We got watermelon too. Come down, get a mango, get a watermelon, and reset and refresh your Saturday. See you soon. Samoan Chef, see you next video.